SQLAlchemy ORM conversion to pandas DataFrame. Is there a solution converting a SQLAlchemy query object to a pandas DataFrame? Pandas has the capability to use pandas.read_SQL, but this requires use of raw SQL. I have two reasons for wanting to avoid it. I already have everything using the ORM, a good reason in and of itself, and I'm using Python lists as part of the query, for example, db.session.queryItem, filterItem.symbol.in_add_symbols, where item is my model class and add_symbols is a list. This is the equivalent of SQL select, from, where, in. Is anything possible?
Below should work in most cases. See pandas.read_SQL documentation for more information on the parameters.
Just to make this more clear for novice pandas programmers, here is a concrete example. Here we select a complaint from complaints table. SQLAlchemy model is complaint, with it equals to.
For completeness sake, as alternative to the pandas function read_SQL_query, you can also use the pandas DataFrame function from _records to convert a structured or record-enumerated data frame. This comes in handy if you, for example, have already executed the query in SQLAlchemy and have the results already available.
The selected solution didn't work for me as I kept getting the error. Attribute error, annotated select object has no attribute lower. I found the following worked.